Okay, so welcome back again. So we have covered up to the future and definite tense. No, last time. Today we will learn the use of future continuous tense. So as the name suggests, future. So we are going to learn how to speak in future time. And continuous. So it is our tense. So it denotes the state of the action. So what we have learned, so we know that future, to talk about the future time, we use the future and definite tense. Clear? For example, I will go, I will come back. Come back. So these are the future tense. No? Tomorrow I will go market. On last of this month I will go to Delhi. I will go America. So these are the actions that are expected to be commence in the future time. It will not. It hasn't. It is not past. This action is not past. ये एक्शन अभी खत्म नहीं हुआ पास्ट टाइम में और ये प्रेजेंट भी नहीं है. वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट द फ्यूचर टाइम कि ऐसा ये एक्शन जो हमारा है गो, इट विल बी डन, इट विल हैपन इन द फ्यूचर टाइम फ्रॉम टुमारो और आफ्टर 1 hour, आफ्टर 2 minutes. So this is also future. So we are at the present, back side is past and now future time. So next slide. So it will, I will go, I will come. For example, I will go, if I say I will go at 10 o'clock, at 10 o'clock. I am talking about tomorrow. Okay, just understand. So I will go at the 10 o'clock to my school, to market, to somewhere whether it has been decided. So I will go, I will come back at 6. Okay, 6 o'clock. So this is the future variable, na? It is my planning. I will go to a market at 10 o'clock and I will come back at the 6 o'clock. What is future continuous? So future continuous. The action will start at the 10 a.m. early in the morning, clear now? And it will be continued up to the 6 p.m. means in the evening. So for this period we will use this steps. Future continuous means the action, this is the action now. This action will be continued for some period from one point to another point, from 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. means if, for example, I will go where I will go to library of city. So ये बात वो कर रहा है कि मैं कहाँ पे जाऊँगा. I will go to library, सिटी की लाइब्रेरी में जाऊँगा. And we very easily can guess कि what he will do there. So definitely he will do this action. Now reading books. So this action will be continued. So एंड इफ आई आस्क कि वेयर, आज मैं उससे मिलूँ, मैं आपसे पूछूं कि अच्छा ये बात बताओ कल 12 बजे क्या कर रहे हो, व्हाट आर यू डूइंग एट 12 o'clock, आई एम टू गो समवेयर एंड आई नीड योर कंपनी, मुझे यार तुम्हें साथ लेके चलना है. सो विल यू बी फ्री एट 12 o'clock? सो यू विल से कि नो, आई विल बी दिस, I will be reading books in library. So you will denote your action कि this action, my reading the books, this action will be continued from 10 a.m. you already know, and 6 p.m. So you will say that I will be reading books in the library. Okay. So this action, this will be here. This is the future. This is the action that will happen in the future time. Means tomorrow it will happen. Not today. It is going to happen. Right now it is not happening. So right now means present, and in the past. So it is not done. ये हुआ नहीं है. It will happen. So ये in the future time. So this is the way. For example, कि tomorrow I will be teaching you at the same time. So this is the action what I am going to tell you, what I will do right now. For example, it is 2 o'clock. So I am talking about my action that will happen in the future time. So I will say that I will be teaching you at the same time is at 2 o'clock right now. So we are talking about the future action, and action will be in continue mode. So यहाँ पे एक्शन कंटिन्यू नहीं होता है, यहाँ पे एक्शन इंडेफिनिट होता है. मीन्स यू कैन नॉट से दैट वट यूर when it will take place. It may be 1 also, 10 also, 10 2, 10 1. So this is ना. So 1-2 मिनट का 1 सेकंड का अंतर तो हो जाता है. So it is indefinite. So nothing is definite here. Here we are talking about the action that will be continued in future time. Okay. Let us learn the negative structure. So more example, we talk about the more examples. So next example ki I will be, yeah, he will be playing. So for example ki I asked you ki where is Ravi? So you can say that he will be playing in the ground at the home. So go and eat. So he will be playing. Where is Radha? So Radha will be reading in library. So okay. So these are the action. Negative formation you already know that if we add not only, so it will become So negative, if we talk about the negative formation, so affirmative is affirmative. I will be reading books. So I will be reading books. So negative will be
I will be not reading.
Negative formation will be I will not be reading books. Here importantly you should remember always that it will not be. It is correct. If you say if I will be not, then it is incorrect. So what is the negative sentence? If the helping verb are in pair, so pair you know will be. There are the many helping verb which comes in pair. For example, do comes single, did single, has been, it comes in pair, and had been, will have, will be. So these are the pair verb. Helping verb you already know. Do, does, is, am, are, had been, has been. So pair word. So in the negative sentence, the not comes between the pair word. So ये इनके बीच में प्लेस हो जाता है, ये ध्यान रखना होगा. So जैसे कि इसको अगर ये से लिख दिया जाए कि will be not, so this is incorrect. So what it will be? The not will come in the middle and it will become will not be. So एक छोटी सी माइन्यूट चीज है, ध्यान रखना पड़ता है. So I will not be reading books. Interrogative type 1. So type 1 में कौन आता है? If we get our answer in yes or no, simple. So these two words are interchanged. So what will become now? Will. अब आई को तो नहीं लिख सकते हैं, will ही कर लेते हैं. Will he be reading books? Is it clear? So will he be reading books? देखो अब मैंने यहाँ पे आई, इफ यू आर थिंकिंग कि आई मैंने क्यों नहीं रखा, तो ये थोड़ा सा साउंड गलत हो रहा है. मैं क्या कर रहा हूँ, तो ये नहीं ठीक है बोलना, ये कहना ठीक है वो क्या कर रहा है. सो दैट लुक्स लिटिल बिट इलॉजिकल, ऐसा बोलना कि मैं क्या कर रहा हूँ. सो इट इज साउंड ना. सो विल ही बी रीडिंग मीन्स सपोज आई वांट टू इंक्वायर अबाउट योर फ्रेंड. सो मुझे आपके किसी मित्र की जानकारी चाहिए, तो मैं पूछ सकता हूँ कि आई वांट हिज कंपनी, सो विल ही बी रीडिंग बुक राइट नाउ. अभी क्या वो पढ़ रहा होगा, तो आंसर कैन बी गिवन इन यस और नो. वी ऑलरेडी नो कि व्हेन द इन द टाइप 1 interrogative sentences are answered in yes or no. So will he be reading? क्या वो पढ़ रहा होगा? Yes, he will be reading. And if you want to negate, then you will say no, he will not be reading. So वो पढ़ रहा होगा, so he will be reading. And वो नहीं पढ़ रहा होगा, so he will not be reading. अब वहाँ पे क्वेश्चन करना है क्या वो पढ़ रहा होगा, so इन्वर्ट कर दीजिए अब. So will he be reading? There. And type 2, when any question word is added, WH family means what, when, how, which, where, why, how. These are the question word, you already know, na? So for example, this is copied same. So will he be reading? So will he be reading? And where? So this is the question. Where will he be reading? मतलब he will be reading in library, or he on the roof, or in the room. So where will he be reading? कहाँ पे होगा? मैं जा तो रहा हूँ, I am going to meet him, but where will he be reading? So this is the question. So in this here you are not going to get your answer in yes or no. So you will get your answer in a word, in a phrase, or in a sentence. तो यहाँ पे जवाब आपको yes ना नो में नहीं मिल करके क्या मिलेगा? एक वो वर्ड हो सकता है, वो बोल सकता है ही में आंसर की. सपोज आई आस्क where will he be reading? So you can answer in the garden, room, roof. So you can answer in one word, or you can speak out in a sentence कि sir he will be reading books in the garden, in room. So you can speak out in one word also, or if you want to answer in a sentence, then you can sentence use na. So answer will be given in word, or in a phrase, or in a sentence. So एक आंसर ये हो सकता है कि ऐसे भी वो जवाब दे सकता है दूसरा आदमी। कहाँ पे होगा? छत। और एक होता है फ्रेज, जैसे कि कहते हैं वो इन द गार्डन, सो इन द गार्डन, सो दिस इज द फ्रेज। फ्रेज मीन्स ग्रुप ऑफ वर्ड group of words, so this is the phrase. And sentence, so he may answer like this, that he will be reading books in the garden, so yeah, in the room, here na, in the room, so he will be reading in the room. So you may answer na, all three type you can use na, so here, but answer will, if you are going to use question word, then your answer will be in phrase, in words or in sentence, not in yes or no. So if you want to get your answer only in yes or no, then use helping verbs first, then you will get your answer. So for example, if I say this, are you fine? So you say yes. Na? Are you busy? So yes. Na? Does he read? So yes, he read. Na? Are you going? No, I am not going. So this is the answer, and this is the way how the future use of our future continuous tense is used. Okay. Now thank you.
Sir, what do you mean?